Having seen so many of these around, I'm finally making this famous feta pasta. You'll need tomatoes, some garlic cloves, a generous dash of olive oil. Give it a good shake around. Add in some mixed herbs. Because I like it, I add in some smoked paprika. Toss in some chopped basil. Time for another shake around. And wiggle in the star of the show, the feta. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Top it up with more basil. And into the oven it goes. 35 to 40 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. Voila! Now it's time to mash it up and mix it up. Mash and mix well, and then add in the pasta. Mix it all up. Oh, that's so yum! Make it a little pretty. I add some chicken, and it's ready for the tummy.